Our windows, I think, had been in for 25 plus years, so we knew they were quite old and needed replacement. We did have a bad experience with other fitters, and C.R. Smith come in and done the job as to what we wanted it. It was the offer and nothing to pay for the 12 months, and as I say, normally we've never had finance of any kind, and when we were talked through that, it was really did surprise both of us. It was James, your salesman, that come in, and he's a credit to C.R. Smith. We both said that. In fact, the minute that young man went out the door, we both said he would get the work. You know, it was so honest, so friendly. Put you at ease, absolutely 100% put you at ease. We had Sandy and John, the joiners. Again, we can't fault them, they're a credit to C.R. Smith. They made you feel comfortable, absolutely, and their work was second to none. And just their craftsmanship is fantastic, really pleased. We opted for the solid oak sills and the finish on them. I mean, we are so pleased. They're beautiful, actually, really beautiful. I mean, you had the confidence right away with John and Sandy. I actually wanted to keep them. I did. No, they were so good, so tidy. Before you knew it, it was spotless. So they were really good. As they worked away through the different rooms, everything was spotless. This is the craftsmanship, you don't get that now. Delighted with the whole process of C.R. Smith. I would highly recommend them. Very professional, friendly, people that you would welcome into your home and feel comfortable with.